Do you and the family at this point, or you or the family, I should say, do you guys believe that Summer could have wandered off at all now that you know how much of that terrain has been searched with the dogs?
I just, Summer's dad told me that two of the dogs, and like I said, I did not hear this from the police. This is what Summer's dad, Don, told me. He said two of the dogs picked up her scent on the driveway, and then when they got at the bottom of the driveway to where their road is, the scent stopped. Is what he told me. I really don't know. We're just baffled. We're just baffled.
Manner of dogs working this scene?
Yeah, they were actually using live track, and they were also using cadaver. From what I understand, they could not get a very good scent article from the house for Summer because I think that everything was kind of shared. So I'm not too sure how well that played out, but they did use cadaver, and they also used live track, and not one of them took us in any one direction.
So was it confirmed, Dave, that they did bring in multiple dogs into the home and outside of the home? Because there's been reports that some dogs got the scent to the end of the road of the house, and then it stopped there. Is there any truth to that statement, Dave?
From what I understand, yes. That as far as the interior of the house, I have no knowledge of that working. But I did hear on several occasions that the live track took it to the end of the driveway, and that's where they lost it. And usually that means they get into a car.
A little late here, so I'm gonna still try to shoot this video. Here we go. The old generator, and then the road and everything. Back door. So, yeah. There's a creek down there. See the road in the distance. Definitely tell it's mostly dogs that's been through here. There's the road. But yeah. And earlier today, they said there was, when they come up here, somebody was on a property and run off. I can't confirm that, but that's what they were saying. I don't know though. Yeah. So that quick, right to the road, there's our mailbox. And this is where the search dogs trail ended. That's where the trail goes up through there. To the road, there's our mailbox. And this is where the search dogs trail ended. That's where the trail goes up through there.
So like you guys just heard in the beginning, David Dotson said Donald told him the two dogs picked up her scent, summer scent, to the driveway. And when they got to the bottom of the driveway where the road is, that's where her scent ended. That correlates with what Dave Rader said from Echo Search. And my question I'm left with is, why is Donald now telling everybody that the dog scent went through that little wooded area, the dog trail, all the way down to the very bottom, and that's where it ended in the middle of the road? But originally, that's not what he told his church friend. So is this another attempt by Donald to control the narrative? I don't know. I do think it's interesting, though, how his story has changed, what he originally told his church friend to what he is saying now. The question is, why? So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Remember, just be respectful to anyone who has a different opinion than you. And I will talk to you guys all soon. Bye.